had a credit card breach in one of
Oh.
our restaurants, and it really took us down.
Mm,
And this was back before identity theft was really understood, and it was right at the beginning of the big recession.
mm.
So it was kind of a perfect storm, and we had to start over again.
Wow. Yeah,
I
so
mean,
that it's not just a pivot. This is a
it wasn't a
rescue
pivot.
operation.
It was a rebuild. And after going through that, I have talked to many other, business leaders and entrepreneurs who have similar stories. We all have a point where our life takes a turn, and we make a choice at that point. And I took everything that I had learned in my over 25 years in the restaurant business and used it to build a brand in a different industry